Welcome to the My Day 15 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm a certified health coach and a recipe developer, and today we're going to make delicious, nourishing foods that will help you feel energized and satisfied. This eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. Let's dive into today's menu. Breakfast, banana smoothie. This smoothie is not only delicious and refreshing, but also packed with nutrients. In a blender, combine 1 banana, 1 cup of low-fat milk, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, hemp seed or chia seed, 1 scoop of protein powder, and ice. If you want to add more vitamins and minerals to this smoothie, you can add 1 cup of spinach or kale. That will make it a powerhouse of nutrition. Blend until smooth and enjoy. This smoothie provides a great start to the day, keeping you full and satisfied while providing essential vitamins, minerals, and protein. Lunch, tuna on whole grain. Pita mix. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein and healthy fats. In a bowl, mix 1 can of tuna and water, drained with either 1 to 3 of an avocado or 2 tablespoons of hummus. This adds healthy fats and fiber to the meal. Chop up half of a small onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 1 large carrot and add them to the bowl. Mix well. Scoop the mixture into 1 whole grain pita. To make this pita pocket even more nutritious, try to find one that has at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. Stuff the pita with 9 spinach leaves, which are a great source of iron and other essential nutrients. Enjoy this nutritious and flavorful lunch that's perfect for a busy day. Snack, 2 hearty rye. Wassa crisp breads or 1 slice of whole grain toast with 1 or 2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese and 2 tablespoons of salsa. Cottage cheese is a good source of protein and calcium, while the salsa adds a nice fresh flavor. To make this snack even more delicious, I recommend warming the cottage cheese and salsa in the microwave for about 15 seconds. The combination of flavors and textures will make this snack both satisfying and enjoyable. Dinner, poached fish with roasted potatoes and string beans. Fish is an excellent source of lean protein and healthy fats. For this recipe, you will need a 4-ounce piece of your favorite fish, 1 pound of baby potatoes, 1 pound of string beans or green beans, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F. Wash and chop the potatoes into chunks and place them in a bowl. Add olive oil and toss to coat the potatoes. Spread the potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in the preheated oven for 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender and slightly golden. While the potatoes are roasting, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the string beans and cook for 5 minutes or until crisp tender. To poach the fish, add salt and pepper to the boiling water. Gently place the fish into the water and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the fish is flaky and cooked through. To serve, plate the roasted potatoes and string beans. Place the poached fish on top and enjoy. This dish is not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients. The combination of protein, healthy fats, carbohydrates, and fiber makes it a well-balanced meal that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Thank you for joining me on day 15 of the 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I hope you enjoyed today's delicious and nutritious recipes. Remember to subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll continue our journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Until then, take care and happy, healthy living.